So we just try to fit this door back into place, and it's bit of a bow. Okay, so we just fitted the passenger side door here. Dad had to put it on the sawhorses here and bend it out a little bit. And then he welded the top grease type hinge, and he's just welding the bottom one again. And we're going to test it out, see how it works. Dad needed a little more light, so we just brought in proper lighting for him here.
This is
I'm right here.
½ inch thick, and this is 20 gauge. So
Yeah.
it's pretty hard to weld and not burn through. You have to have it sitting just right.
So Dad's just adjusting the door catch here now. Make sure it's easy to move.
I had to make these new, eh?
Yeah.
Because they were too short before. They're laying back here.
Okay. Okay.
This is new to here, right?
Yeah. You guys will remember that this door was actually particularly bad. It was bowed and really, really heavy.
I think they thought this was going to Ukraine as a gunship, eh?
Oh, okay. Was it that
Well, we put
reinforced?
iron on the,
well, it's good for against AK-47 fire, I guess,
Yeah.
now.
don't shoot through the window like that.
So Dad is just greasing the door hinge here to make sure it's not stuck. He was a little concerned about it earlier here, but he got it readjusted. And now he's just putting a little grease in that hinge. He's just checking the door to make sure everything's fitting right. Okay, better?
I can adjust that hinge a bit. I don't know if it's binding a bit. That's a little too much. little too much weld.
Yeah. Okay, so
And then the door. But this way here now, it's got clearance underneath. It's not dragging on the sill. Eh?
yeah, and
All meant to just slam it.
yeah, we still got to put in the weather stripping along the door here. That's the guy's gonna put in.
This is all good from here up.
Yeah,
He doesn't want me to do body work, but his man will have to cut that out,
yeah,
clean it real good,
yeah.
and put a patch in there. Then sand it down and paint
Yeah.
it.
We're still gonna fix that and that.
And this and this is gonna get fixed.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go to, we can go to this door, I guess.
Okay, I'll go and get it. So we got all of the doors back on. So the back door, this door, the other side door we just put on here. But when are we gonna tackle these wheels here? What's the deal?
I don't want to take the tracks off to do the wheel bearings for the simple reason I haven't got enough races and bearings and seals. I
Okay,
want to make sure I got them first before I take this off.
okay,
And I don't know how long it'll be, hopefully with a few days. But in the meantime, I'll work on the brakes in there.
okay. So one of the things we're experiencing, guys, is parts. Now everybody's struggling for parts right now, but bearings, races, and seals are very difficult to find. And we've talked to our suppliers, and our suppliers have told us that we could possibly wait till December on seeing some of our parts. So the doors are back on, and that is not conducive to our time schedule. So I'm going to go down to the Winnipeg here again, see if I can find some parts for Dad, and because we can't wait till the middle of December, because it's not just this machine. We've got the other Minnesota.
On this door here, I didn't reskin it. I just, the metal is okay,
Yeah,
so I just re-welded where it was broken loose.
yeah,
I fixed this because that's going to be the door stopper so it doesn't wrap right
Yeah.
around. Eh? Both sides are done.
okay,
I put bolts in there. So I don't know if he wants to cover this again with that Mickey Mouse stuff. It's up to him, but
Yeah.
it's primed and painted, so
okay.
it can't rust.
So, well, I'm away looking for parts again. I'm probably going to leave in a day or two. Dad's going to work on the brakes, and
Well, I can do
he's got a couple of days of work on the inside for him to do,
I can do the
and he's got to fiddle with the doors a little bit more. But all the doors are back on, so he's got some work back here to do, and he's still got work on the dash. He's still got to grind all that stuff down now that it's cured, and yeah. So that's the progress on the blue wide gauge right now, and once he has the brake, or sorry, the brake and rotor on this one, then we got to get the rotor on that one. And Dad was really concerned that he didn't want both machines not being under power. So as soon as we get the brake and rotor on this one, he's going to do the brake and rotor on this one. And hopefully they're probably both done right around the same time. But busy in the shop. I'm busy looking for parts. He's busy grinding and welding and fixing and mechanicking, and
Now
yeah.
that I got a hand with those heavy doors and got them mounted, I can look after the rest myself.
Okay, good.
Here,
Yeah,
put your nozzle in there, and then open it like this.
and easy. And what's the stuff that you're using so the guys know?
This is
Red
Red
spray
spray
grease. Dad's always had a can of this handy for a lot of different things. And clean up the door here.
Some of the other grease gets too heavy for wintertime,
Yeah.
where this will stay light.
Okay, there you go.
Close with nothing.
There you go.
The weather stripping and he's away.
Yeah. Give your cat a kiss. No. Is that your cat?
Whose kitty is that?
Hey.